Hello fellow Greymanes, here's how you can get the Ferman Plate Helm in Crimson Desert. Now this helm's not entirely OP on its default level, but what makes it unique is the day's immunity buff you get from it. On its standard form, you'll only get 3 points of defense, but you can refine it 9 more times if you want its stats to scale. This is not a pretty hard find. All you have to do is find this location on top of the letter A of Hernan. It's inside a place called the Sanctum of Atonement. Mark it on your map and make your way there. Once you arrive, I want you to be stepping on this square right in front of an altar. Next, turn around until you see a wall with a hole on its upper level. Now we're gonna scale that wall until we reach the top. When you get to the upper floor, run towards the other side of the ruin, and you'll find the helm lying on the corner. Take it, equip it, and enjoy. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in.